Let's take a look at the Kuwaz travel backpack. And this is honestly the best travel backpack I've ever used. It's fantastic. I've taken it on 2 trips recently. Here it is with me in the airport. And I'm going to share with you exactly what I love about this backpack. So firstly, one thing I love about this bag is that it is super lightweight. So I really don't like it when backpacks, the backpack itself is like half of the weight, especially when you're going to be carrying it through an airport, carrying it around for the whole day. So it's very lightweight material. It's also very durable and washable. So it's this nice sort of synthetic fabric, very strong and holds up to being thrown around in the airport and that kind of thing, but it's very easy to wipe this clean as well. So overall, great for that. And also it just has so many different pockets and ways to store the stuff you need for travel. So firstly, on the outside, we've got these individual zip pockets. I just want to point out the zippers have these really great solid pulls on them, and the zipper itself feels really good quality. So you can easily open and close it. It doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything there. And indeed, in the trips I've done with this, it hasn't. So you can store, like a cell phone charger or some snacks, things you need to get to quickly in these outside pockets. Then in here, we've actually got an insulated washable pocket. So this is awesome if you want to put in, cold drinks or snacks. It's an insulated pocket, almost like a little cooler that runs the whole length of the backpack. Then we've got the main pocket. And the thing I love about the main pocket on here is that it is something that opens totally flat. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It's like a clamshell type of design. It goes all the way around the backpack. So you're not just opening the top and trying to sort of reach in and grab stuff at the bottom. The whole entire thing is going to open straight up. And that gives you access to the interior very easily. You can put in, clothing and that kind of thing. If you're traveling with kids, like I did, I've got the diapers, so it serves as a diaper bag there, clothing, my camera, everything's all packed up easily inside of there. Now inside, we also have a couple of other pockets. I like to keep my battery pack for my cell phone in here. We've got some zipper pockets inside here you can put stuff into as well. And there's also a pocket that has a little access port on the outside of the backpack if you want to run your charger or headphones or something like that through there too. So you can put your power pack if you want to in here, and then there's a little zipper and you can actually run it out through that and plug it in while wearing the backpack. I don't personally do that, but it's nice to have that feature. But again, this clamshell just means you got a ton of space inside of here, again, even though it's a pretty compressible backpack. On the bottom, there's actually a shoe pocket with little drain holes. So if you're doing a beach trip and you want to put, your sandals in there, if they get sand on them or anything, it's nice to be able to do that, and it gets some air circulation going in the bottom of the backpack there. Now, also great for traveling through the airport, especially for business trips. It has a laptop pocket on the back here, or a tablet pocket. So again, you can put those things in there, easily get them out when you go through the screening. And then, especially for international travel, this is really awesome. It's got this padded section down here, but you open it up and it's actually a passport or money holder. So you can keep your passport stowed away in there. And the idea with this is that because this part of it is against your back as you're wearing the backpack, it protects it. Somebody can't easily run in and pickpocket because this is protected in the back area there. So love that feature. It's really great, again, for international travel. We've got good padding on here. The straps are super strong. We've got a middle strap to help balance the weight there. And overall, it's just very comfortable to wear. And the backpack itself, again, just isn't contributing a lot of weight to this because the material is very lightweight. Now, this will fit under the seat on an airplane, which is awesome, so you don't have to gate check the bag. And if you find that when you pack it, especially if you have clothes and things in there, and it's a little bit too big to fit under the seat, you can actually pull these little straps down, and it cinches it shut. You can latch these as well, and it compresses that down to help it squeeze into those smaller spaces. So great to have that feature as well, and then you just unclick when you're ready to open up again. So overall, really the best travel backpack I've ever seen or used.